photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear.
Hi guys, it's Chloe and welcome back to Pets and Us. So for this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3 cute and simple friendship bracelets. If you are new to our channel, make and taping it down. Here I'm just separating my colors, but you don't really need to do that. I was just doing that for the video, but you really only need the first 2 colors. So you want to do the exact same thing that you did with the spiral bracelet and put it into the shape of a 4 and then tuck the rest of the string under. And pull the rest of the string through. For every string you do this to, do it twice. Here I have completed the first two colors. So now I'm just tying off the end of my bracelet. And here's the finished piece. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye guys!